Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and tricks on how to use LeetCode effectively. If you're new to LeetCode, it's a website where you can practice coding problems and improve your algorithm and data structure skills. LeetCode is used by many software engineers and tech companies as part of their interview process, so it's a great tool to have in your arsenal. Tip number 1. Start with easy problems. When you're just starting out on LeetCode, it's important to not get overwhelmed. There are hundreds of problems to choose from, so it can be tempting to jump into the harder ones right away. However, I recommend starting with the easy problems first. This will help you build your confidence and get comfortable with the LeetCode platform. Tip number 2. Use tags and difficulty filters. One of the great things about LeetCode is that you can filter problems by tags and difficulty level. Tags allow you to search for problems related to specific topics, like arrays, dynamic programming, or graphs. Difficulty filters allow you to search for problems that match your skill level. So, if you're a beginner, you can filter for easy problems only. Tip number 3. Read the solution only after trying yourself. It's important to remember that LeetCode is a tool for practice and improvement, not a tool for cheating. When you're working on a problem, make sure you try to solve it on your own first. Only after you've given it your best shot should you look at the solution. Reading the solution too early can rob you of the learning experience. Tip number 4. Learn from other people's solutions. That being said, it's also important to learn from other people's solutions. After you've solved a problem, take some time to look at other people's solutions. This will expose you to different approaches and techniques that you may not have thought of. You can also learn from other people's mistakes and improve your own solutions. Tip number 5. Use LeetCode for interview practice. Finally, one of the main reasons people use LeetCode is to prepare for interviews. LeetCode has a large collection of interview questions from various tech companies, so it's a great resource to use when preparing for interviews. Make sure you simulate the interview environment as much as possible, including using a whiteboard or a piece of paper to write your solutions. Conclusion, and there you have it. Those are my tips and tricks for using LeetCode effectively. Remember to start with easy problems, use tags and difficulty filters, read the solution only after trying yourself, learn from other people's solutions, and use LeetCode for interview practice. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.